How to enable Copilot in Outlook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable Copilot in your Outlook app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Outlook app on your phone and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, at the bottom left corner, you can see the gear icon. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Copilot. And now here, in this section, you can see the option labeled as Turn on Copilot. So as you can see, it's already turned on, but if it is disabled, you can simply toggle on this option. And that's it. That's how you can enable Copilot in Outlook app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.